रोल, पनीर रोल, चिकन रोल, एवरीथिंग. ओके, ग्रेट.
सलीम्स में अगर आप जाएंगे हमारा नाम लेंगे 10% डिस्काउंट.
मैंने सिखा के रख दी. देखो 4 सीजन हो गए, अब तुम हो गई हो बिहार की.
मेरी आत्मा बिहार की है.
कि दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने हम आए हैं यूपी बिहार लूट.
बिहार.
Juhu, I think, is become such a beautiful microcosm of Bihar, and it happened yesterday because of Chhat Puja.
Oh yeah, of course.
कल के दिन छठ
It was
की.
beautiful. Kani and I have a WhatsApp group.
Dying to know the name of this WhatsApp group.
I'm
Inappropriate.
out of this. रोहिणी, मुझे इसको आर्काइव करना पड़ता है कि लोगों के सामने कि पॉप हो गया ना तो मैं ये हो जाऊंगी कि हुमा.
Whatever I put my mind to, whatever I put my intention behind, and I've obviously given a lot of time, energy, effort, hard work. But life has also been quite kind. दुनिया में कहीं चले जाओ, every single person, you will assume it's for something else or for my 100 crore hits or whatever. It's always Rani Bharti.
You're just working professionally and you don't go thinking कि हम दोस्त बनाएंगे, you know. But this was one of those sets जहाँ पर एक बहुत genuine दोस्ती, genuine warmth है.
तुम्हारी कोई डिमांड्स हैं कि मैं इतने ही घंटे काम करूंगी, कैसे काम करूंगी? Do you care about it? Do you care about work-life balance?
Do I care about work-life balance?
It takes a long time for women actors to say that they are stars, and I hope that you started saying it.
Say ना.
Just say it.
Well,
रोल, पनीर रोल, चिकन रोल, एवरीथिंग. ओके, ग्रेट.
सलीम्स में अगर आप जाएंगे हमारा नाम लेंगे 10% डिस्काउंट.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. खुद तो मिठाई के डब्बे की तरह लग रही है. दिवाली के बाद आई है मेरी हुमा कुरैशी. यार, I want to start with this saying that मैंने कैसी ये मैचिंग कर लिया मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई, मुबारक.
क्या बात.
You know, this is baklava, but this is new age mithais, guys,
Baklava.
which are like imported mithais because we thought, madam, आप इतनी देसी बने फिर रही हैं दोनों,
क्या
तो आप imported मिठाई खाइए प्लीज मेरी तरफ से.
Of course, हम बकलावा.
बकलावा प्लीज.
क्या बात है ये. ये तो पिस्ता वाला खाओ.
उसमें से 2 मैंने खा ली ऑलरेडी.
हाँ, ये थोड़ा लग रहा है कुछ ऐसे.
मैंने इसे खा के रख दी. But yes.
ओह क्या. पूरा वीडियो हम लेके जा रहे हैं.
हाँ प्लीज, ये पूरा डब्बा तुम्हारे लिए. I'll tell you why. Because I think we have to celebrate the fact that there is a show that is in its 4th season, which has women. You know, this means a lot to all of us, and I think it's not just you, Huma. I'm sorry, हम सब तुम्हारी खुशी में अपना हाथ मार रहे हैं. But it means a lot. I just sat today and I said, are you therefore the most successful female actor on OTT and all of that? Have you thought of it that way?
She knows it.
Thanks. It is true. Technically.
It
is true.
Technically, I mean, इससे ज़्यादा क्या हो सकता है success का definition? Like,
नहीं, बहुत सारे होते हैं, but I think I'm quite happy. I think a lot of objectives when I came to Bombay, not dreams I had, I have managed to manifest them. मगर हाँ, of course, बहुत सारे सपने और बाकी हैं, बहुत सारी मुकाम पाना बाकी है. But I can't complain. I think whatever I put my mind to, whatever I put my intention behind, and I've obviously given a lot of time, energy, effort, hard work. But life has also been quite kind. I can't complain.
She's an author, producer, and my God, the things Zooms has achieved this year, and the year is not even over yet. It's outstanding.
you know what? Yes, but you know what's amazing is that Shweta, we've never met. I'm Rotox. Thank you for being on my show. What I love is that here you are. Here 2 of us were sitting around you and we're cheering you, and I think that that's what it's about. I think this is what defines what women power should be, right? Because here we are. We are very happy for you, Huma. And it doesn't take away from any of our achievements.
Not at all. You're amazing and you are amazing. And
But I think it's so amazing that women, I think that's what we were discussing some time ago, that women cheering women is so beautiful.
Yep.
And I think it has such a nice energy. And I think it comes from a place of genuine intention because we all know, what it takes to actually go out there and, do something.
It's so
tough.
tough.
Amazing.
I always say this, I'll compete with a guy, but I'll never compete with another girl because I feel like I kind of know what you've been through. So there's a bit, maybe it's that extra empathy.
Yeah.
Because I really get it what you've been through.
The sister code.
Yeah, it's a full sister code.
Sis code, yeah.
And I love the fact when other girls are like fixing each other's crowns. I think that's just the most beautiful thing.
So
thank you.
congratulations.
Thank
okay,
you.
I will start with that saying that it means a lot. So also, It's a good show. Okay.
It's an amazing
7th
show.
of November. Okay, it's going to be dropping on
Oh, I
Sony
thought
Live.
about your show.
That too. That
See?
of course.
Sister code. Sister code. Huh.
Thank you so much. It's a really good show. I've had the privilege actually because I have some friends in Sony Live. Hi guys. So they send me a couple of episodes, and I must say that I truly believe that the writing of this show has just gotten better and better and better. So do you feel that as well as actors when you're in it, when you're reading it? Do you feel like, हाँ यार, मतलब ये season बेहतर है?
100%. मुझे तो हर सीजन में लगता है और हमारे जो 3 राइटर्स हैं नंदन सर, उमा जी और सुभाष कपूर कमाल के राइटर्स हैं. एंड यू नो आई थिंक ऑफन दिस डिबेट occurs ki should, I mean, and of course women writing for women is extremely important, not to take away from that, but the beauty of this show is, and for these 3 men and why especially they need to be celebrated and called out and all of those things, is because they are writing for a strong female character, but without ever trying to, you know, shackle her in any kind of sort of gendered lens or gendered, like, or holding her down. They just write, it's a heroic character and this is her journey and she's beyond her gender. And I think that's so beautiful and so liberating, and I feel like we had more men and women writing like this, because sometimes even female writers, I've often noticed, like sometimes they just are not able to go beyond certain things. But in the writing of Maharani, which is why it's India's biggest show.
Yesterday, कल की बात है, हम दोनों अभी भी तुम जू में रहती हो क्या?
हाँ, of course.
तुम तो अभी भी रहती हो, तो कल तुम्हें पता
नए
है
वाले घर पे नहीं आई हो.
हाँ यार मुझे आना है. But Juhu, I think, is become such a beautiful microcosm of Bihar, and it happened yesterday because
Oh,
of Chhath
Chhath Puja,
Puja.
yeah.
Oh yeah, of course.
कल के दिन
Yeah.
छठ
It was
की-
beautiful.
Yeah.
मतलब
Yeah.
छठ
I
की
saw.
जो तैयारियां होती हैं,
बहुत
छठ का जो
सुंदर.
पर्व होता है, I cannot tell you, it
Yeah,
is
beautiful.
truly, you feel like you are there, you
Yeah.
know. And I almost fell for a second. I was stuck in that jam because
So was I.
1.5 hours जूता
भाई
रोड
इंटरव्यू
पर,
कर लेते
हाँ,
यार.
हाँ यार उसी गाड़ी में बैठ जाती मैं. But for a second, that's when I was thinking of you deeply, and I said कि wow, you know, it's about people feeling represented, right?
Yes.
It's about people feeling seen,
Yes.
and I think that's what art does for you eventually. It could show things जैसे हैं, लेकिन लोगों को representation मिल गया, तो वो वाला प्यार मिला है, because I almost wanted to see you yesterday at Drew Beach. कि तुम जाती वहाँ
We
पे
were
यार?
actually, to be honest, I'm glad you brought this up. We were actually planning to go there, but there was a bit of a safety security concern, which is why we decided not to. Because as actors, you don't want, of course, you want to go and promote something and you want to be seen.
Yeah.
But at the same time, जो लोग वहाँ पे आए हैं, जिनकी आस्था है, they should not be inconvenienced. So I think
It should not overwhelm that.
yeah, and I feel like right, and you saw the situation over there. There was traffic cops, everyone doing a beautiful job, and you know, directing traffic and directing people. So we didn't want to go add to the chaos. I think
Yeah.
so.
Fair.
So it's we can always find another opportunity to go there and show support.
But Chhath is such a sundar puja.
Yeah.
My God, what a
नहीं, और आज
beautiful
को थोड़ा डर
parv.
भी लगता है ना, इतने सारे लोग हैं. If we go there and
course,
there's a
yeah,
bigger
yeah.
commotion, then it's avoidable. I
But
think
how
it's
is that love now? Because देखो 4 सीजन हो गए, अब तुम हो गई हो बिहार की,
हाँ, वो
है
तो
ना?
मेरी आत्मा बिहार की है.
है ना,
मतलब
है
हाँ,
ना?
हाँ.
कि दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने हमारे हैं यूपी बिहार लूटने, है ना?
बिहार
ओ
लूटने.
बिहार लूटने. तो how is that? Has that changed your love? Have you become? See, I'll give you my example. I started diving into just generally Bihar because I think as a Bombay girl, and maybe Shweta you'll relate to what I'm saying, or as a Delhi girl, you know, हमारे लिए ना ये जो cosmopolitan लड़कियां हैं, हमारे लिए we are so divorced from the real India. I always feel कि हमें मौका नहीं मिलता. At least किरदारों के थ्रू आपको ये मौका मिल रहा है. Then I started noticing कि a lot of people who I know are Bihari, you know, always have 2 first names as their name. You know, yeah, because they want to have 2 first names as their actual names. So there'll be Rohit Raj, for example. So it's just it just made me Jayant Raj. So it made me explore and look at it. Then I looked at the actors who are around us, and there are so many great actors who are from Bihar. So I want to ask you, how has your relationship with this place that you were not born in?
Not at
Okay,
all.
how has that evolved over these 4 seasons?
Oh, immensely. You know, the first time I went to Bihar, and possibly the longest I've stayed in Bihar, is when I started working as an individual. I think I was 17 or 18. Yeah.
Really?
Not many people know about this.
True
I-
story.
yeah, I started assisting a documentary filmmaker.
Oh yeah, you told me the story.
Called
Yeah.
Anirban Datta, and he was at that point in time working on a United Nations project, and the project was about researching and photographing women who were most susceptible to HIV. I was a bacha, literally. I was part of some British Council exchange program. He had come to mentor over there, and I started assisting him, me and Sonia, another girl who was his editor, and we just went for this. For me, in my head, was a trip.
Yeah,
And we stayed in Kishangarh, and I was there for I think about a week or maybe five days or whatever, and just traveling over there and seeing the terrain and seeing people, and it's very impressionable, right?
Of course, yeah.
And I'd never seen beauty like that. I'd never seen landscape like that. I did have an image of Bihar in my head, but to really maybe perhaps, this is a gift from that time. I have no idea. And then the first film that I did, which was Gangs of Wasseypur, I play again a Bihari, and I was like, and the love I got for that was immense. And then Rani Bharti year after year, I think it's just getting better and bigger. और मैं दुनिया में कहीं चले जाऊँ, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं सिंगापुर चले जाऊँ, मैं दुबई चली जाऊँ, मैं लंदन चली जाऊँ, मैं शिरडी चले जाऊँ. Every single person, you will assume it's for something else or my 100 crore hits or whatever. It's always Rani Bharti first and then everything else.
हमारे ऑफिस के सेल्स हेड है भाई.
अभी मिले मुझे.
अभी मिले इनको, कहते हैं मैंने 3 बार देखा शो. मैं तो पूछ लिया उनसे कि सर क्या हो गया सर, समझ नहीं आया पहली बार. इसको नो कट माय सैलरी. इसको नो कट माय सैलरी. But sorry Rohit sir, but it's lovely. I just think that it's so amazing, and I also feel like there is a plethora of good actors. भाई
Case in point.
केस इन पॉइंट मजा आ गया, बिकॉज आई थिंक ऑल्सो विपिन जी, यार विपिन जी का तो साल है. विपिन जी को congratulations for Dhadak 2. I think you're amazing. But is it fun? Like, is it fun this season because you have so many great players around?
All credit to Shweta, to Shardul, to Vipin sir, to Manu Rishi, to Sara Hashmi, and like so many others.
And to the team of Maharani for welcoming us with so much warmth. You feel at home with Subhash ji and Huma and everyone, kyunki as
we
actors,
did welcome you actually.
Yeah. Because as actors you're just working professionally and you don't go thinking कि हम दोस्त बनाएंगे, like personally I'm more a very in out person. हो गया and then I'm set in my room, I'm reading at one corner on set or whatever. But this was one of those sets जहाँ पर एक बहुत genuine दोस्ती, genuine warmth है. और 3 seasons के बाद you would expect कि पता नहीं, they know each other already so well, but वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा. In the first few days, it was almost like I had been part of this team for so long, and that complete credit goes to Huma and Subhash ji.
So Shweta, Kani and I have a WhatsApp group.
That she created.
Fun point.
Dying to know the name of this WhatsApp.
I'm out of this.
Very inappropriate.
I'm out of this. I have to put
I'll
on
tell
या
you
फिर
later.
रोहिणी, मुझे इसको आर्काइव करना पड़ता है कि लोगों के सामने कि पॉप हो गया ना तो मैं ये हो जाऊंगी कि हुमा.
अच्छी बात है ना.
हाँ, because I feel as women we just need to share and need to discuss.
We share a lot.
It could be about like work.
कर लो
or
डिस्कस
experiences.
दीदी, बिकॉज आजकल क्या हो रहा है तुम्हें तो पता ही है. तुम भी बता दो कि क्या तुम्हारी कोई डिमांड्स हैं कि मैं इतने ही घंटे काम करूंगी, कैसे काम करूंगी, बता ही दो तुम.
मुझे पता था तुम ये पूछने ही
Of
वाली
course.
हो, क्योंकि फिर
Of course, इतना मुद्दा बन गया यार. Like
हाँ.
it's become insane. But here you are. This is your show. Okay. So how do you navigate this? Do you care about it? Do you care about work-life balance? Both of you actually.
Do I care about work-life balance? 100%. I think
Yes.
it's extremely important, and I think you as a working professional, you decide what you want to do
100%.
because and nobody gets to take a call on that. This is what I genuinely believe. I could be a single person, I could be a married woman, I could be a mother, and all these roles demand a different kind of a pressure on me,
Yeah.
and nobody gets to weigh in on that. If today I decide, okay, I'm going to have a baby, I'm not, but I'm saying in case I decide to have a baby, I'm not. But so I mean, of course, my life is going to change, and hence everything else is going to change. But I mean, I almost feel like it's a bit much.
Yeah.
You know,
course it is
because
a bit
I mean, it is true. Male actors also have working hours, and they also have 8 hours or 10 hours of a work day, which has been happening for a while now,
Correct.
and nobody questions it. So let's not do too much about it. Having said that, I think the kind of person I am, I work for 10 to 12 hours. That's like in my contract. But even if the day goes over, I don't think I could come late maybe, but I don't think I've ever walked away from a set saying I'm not going to finish the day and go. But that's just something I hold myself accountable. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हर रोज जब मैं एक फिल्म सेट पे हूँ, एक तो because of the way I've come up, right? From theatre, going for random auditions, being picked from a room full of people. I understand how many people
Yeah.
want this job and want it so badly. So every single day I get to walk on a set and do something and act, it's a privilege. And I really want to give it my 100%. And I still have that fire. That I don't care. I'm going to give it my 100% because there are thousands of people, you know, जो घर बार छोड़ के मतलब तड़प रहे होंगे इस एक opportunity के लिए. So if I have to earn it. So I approach my work like that.
You've earned it, Huma. I think that, it takes a long time for women actors to say that they are stars. And I hope that you started saying it.
Say na.
Just say it.
Well, yeah.
No, it's
It's
important.
nicer when my girlfriends say it.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think you
she's a
get
star.
that.
She is a star. Do you have that? Have you thought about this debate? So you know the story, right? You know what's been going
No,
on.
I second Huma when she
Hmm.
says that. I think it's also individual capacity, and that's got nothing to do with gender. And rightly, she said that, you know, there's so many male actors who've had that. I have worked with male actors who don't work beyond 8 hours. I worked with female actors who don't work beyond 8 hours. And I think it's individual capacity है यार. अगर आप कर सकते हो तो आप कीजिए. And अगर नहीं है and you और अगर आपके if you have a genuine reason and you know if why not absolutely.
And it's a two-way street, right? I can say, okay, Rohini, I'm going to give you half an hour to do this interview, and you can say, no, it doesn't work for me, and we can decide to walk away, and that's perfectly okay. You say, मेरा नहीं होगा भाई, मुझे 2 घंटे चाहिए, ठीक है, no problem. We shake hands and walk away.
2 घंटे ही चाहिए हमेशा
चलो घर
तुम्हारे
चलो,
साथ.
घर चलो, जुहू में चाय पिलाती हूँ तुमको.
अच्छा सुनो, ये शो में तो भाई माशाल्लाह, you know, she's got this physicality which, and I think that's what gets me every time, that y'all are all these amazing urban women and y'all are playing these women who you probably don't even interact with, right? And you
No,
do it
that's not
so
true.
well.
That's not true.
Okay.
Of course, no, that's not true. Although I've grown up in Bombay, but also to circle back to your previous question, actually मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंडिया में घूमती हूँ with family or solo, and I try to in fact interact with as many strangers as I can, and that's a huge part because I'm not a trained actor. I've never done theatre. I've never been to film school or any acting school. I've learned on the job. I'm still learning on the job. So I think वो कभी आप सीख नहीं सकते पूरी तरीके से किसी भी आर्ट फॉर्म को, and definitely not acting because it reflects life. So it's very important to keep living. So of course I've not met a particular Roshni, but I've met several Roshnis in life, and I make it a point to actually interact with strangers. A lot of times, in fact, Bombay में मैं mask पहन के या cap पहन के I travel on metros. I take a trip to Churchgate and come back, sketch. A lot of times when I'm traveling, I sketch people, I write about it, I interact with them. So yeah, I do meet
How interesting.
people.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
How interesting.
That's
How
a,
interesting.
trust me when I say this, it's a privilege that you can still do
But
it.
it is. But it is. I mean, to choose to be an actor, to do work that you can choose is privilege. And if you don't do it well, then it's your problem.
100%.
It's my if I've been given the gift of being an artist and to reflect life for the audience,
how
और
beautiful.
उससे अगर मैं तरीके से नहीं करूँ या कोशिश ना करूँ तो फिर वो मेरी गलती है.
So beautiful. Thank you for sharing. It's such a beautiful insight into your process. But what I was saying is that, you know, there are these women that you all are playing, and it's not like they're around us all the time. And the physicality of it is also so different, right? And here you are serving looks where you went last and you served some 10.
Busan,
My
Milan.
God.
She
I'm
did a
like-
whole little chakra.
Oh my God.
No, not flexing. It's the truth. It's the
This
truth.
is Huma Qureshi around the world in 80 days.
It was actually 17 days.
I just want to say,
I actually have done the whole in 17 days. I've traveled around the world, like the
Wow,
whole chakkar in
man.
17 days. It's true.
I love how you straddle both these worlds, okay? Because it's so important for all
And
of
she's
us
going
be
to
able
Lit Fest and all.
Lit Fest भी
Yeah,
चल रहा है.
चल रहा है.
लेकिन मैम प्लीज एक मोटी लड़की को बता दो कि
तुम मोटी
थोड़ा सा
बिल्कुल नहीं हो
कैसा-
पहले. ये मोटी वर्ड ड्रॉप कर दो.
Thank you.
तुम curvy हो, तुम hot हो, तुम sensual, तुम
Thanks
sexy हो.
yaar, thanks yaar. But what have you been doing? Just quickly tell us and all the girls who are watching.
I've just been living my life, and I've just been having fun with my fashion, and I've been just doing the kind of films that I want to do. I'm just so excited about just the work I'm doing. Like I'm happy that I get to do a film like Bayan, where I'm also EPing on it, and I love the script. And then it travels to TIFF, it goes to Busan, it's going to Cairo now. And I'm loving the fact that I can play a really rooted character from India and tell this very hyper local India story with a global lens. But when I go and do my fashion on the red carpet, I don't have to be apologetic about it. I will wear and I will look the part and I will have fun with my fashion because that's just me.
बहुत मजा
और
आ रहा है.
either और करने की जरूरत नहीं है हमको.
Yeah, no, हम
मतलब
सब हैं.
हम सब हैं, हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Dear
हम
friend of
सक्षम
mine-
हैं.
Dear friend of mine told me every day as artists we have to decide who are we today.
Yeah.
And what are we doing?
And it's so fun, right?
Yeah,
बैंक
yeah,
में नौकरी
yeah,
थोड़ी
yeah.
करते हैं.
Today.
No offense to bankers, but बैंक में नौकरी थोड़ी करते हैं. हम
सही
कुछ
है.
भी कर सकते हैं.
सही
हाँ.
है, absolutely.
ये banker community hurt तो नहीं होंगे ना सबसे. We love banks.
Please मत यार, we love bankers.
bank app
We
देखो
need
ना,
only
like-
money. In fact, I'm looking for a guy from finance. If you know that meme.
Actually,
So,
I do know somebody.
please send some
Okay, after
quickly.
this. हाँ.
Okay, great. Are you guys ready to say play a little game, and it's called Queen Behavior Only.
Ooh,
So
love
girls,
it.
you have to tell me, has this happened to either of you? Okay, and what did you do? Okay, even if you didn't do something, it's fine. But you can go back and say, the next time it happens, I'm going to correct this. All right.
Alright.
Number one. All right, for Maharani season 4. Okay, Huma and Shweta, a male co-star interrupts you mid-sentence in an interview.
No, never happened.
Never happened.
Actually, never happened with me either, to be honest.
No.
Yeah.
You're nice
It's never, because those interviews will be also there now for.
Camera chalu hai.
No, but it's never happened.
Okay.
हाँ.
A producer has said, यार female shows and female films ना थोड़ा tough होता है sell करने को.
I mean, not anymore. तो अभी
Hmm.
recently तो नहीं सुना. In fact, I get a lot of, it's called pitch decks and those synopses and scripts which actually say it's a female-oriented show and films. Not all of them are great, but then it's actually a lot more in. It's happening a lot more, which is great.
अच्छा यार मजेदार है. I think the fact that देखिए एक चीज तो सच है, ठीक है, वो हम थोड़ा लंबा आंसर है, शॉर्ट आंसर नहीं है. बट आई फील एक चीज तो सच है कि जो बजट्स लड़कियों को मिलते हैं और जो लड़कों को मिलते हैं उसमें बहुत बड़ा फर्क है ना. तो आप ये जो बोल रहे हैं, और बहुत सारे लोग मुझसे डिबेट पे पड़ जाते हैं कि ऑफ कोर्स मेल एक्टर्स विल बी पेड मोर बिकॉज दे ब्रिंग मोर टू द बॉक्स ऑफिस, बट लुक एट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे गेट एंड द नंबर ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज दे गेट एंड द बजट्स दैट दे गेट. यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर एप्पल्स टू ऑरेंजेस. सो कम ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म when you both have, when the audience has the same power to either watch this or that, and they're choosing to watch a female forward content, that means the audience exists.
100%.
However, there's so much
100%.
gatekeeping around
Yeah,
it
yeah.
कि इनकी फिल्म की इतनी बड़ी रिलीज हो सकती है, नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि हमें तो पता नहीं ना, या इनका इतना बजट होना चाहिए, इनका मार्केटिंग बजट काट दो, because ये. But today I'm saying, if I didn't have just giving my example because I don't want to talk about anyone else. If I did have an audience, then Maharani wouldn't be successful.
100%.
So if you give people an option to watch a film in the theaters, the way you give an equal opportunity to Maharani, then people would flock.
But I think
So
OTT has brought in that democratic choice for people. You can actually tell that audience is watching and is open to this.
100%. Queen behavior.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh, a troll calls you too opinionated. Has it happened and what have you done?
Nothing.
Trolls.
Queen behavior.
क्यों करना है भाई? आपको कोई तकलीफ है, मैं आपसे बुरा लगता है आपके लिए, आप थोड़ा सा कोई थेरेपी कीजिए. मैं क्या करूं, मतलब get a girlfriend, go on a coffee date, feel better about your life. I actually feel bad for them.
मैं एक्चुअली बहुत सोशल मीडिया ऑफ हूँ, तो
हाँ,
मुझे
तुम तो
पता ही
बिल्कुल ही gone हो.
मैं gone रहती
You are
हूँ.
not on social?
I am.
But you are. I
am.
follow you.
I am, but I post only when I have to post. Otherwise, I'm like, it's never on my phone. So I go on desktop, on iPad, and then I post.
ये
And
थोड़ी
then it's
cool
gone.
लड़की है ना कि
मेरी
I
फूफा
want
जी
to
की याद आ गई.
नहीं, फूफा जी ये बहुत cool लड़की है. इसको लगता है कि
she's
I want to
actually-
limit my time.
She's like,
I want to be
no.
more productive. I
यार
want to
तुम्हें
learn.
पता है ना तुम बहुत कूल औरत हो.
ये पता है ये सितार बजाती कितना बढ़िया, और हम कितने घटिया लोग हैं. सुनो ये कहानी सुनो. तो ये आई सीजन में
True story.
या सितार लेके अपना, she invited everyone to her room and I walked in, और पीछे पर्दा विंडो खुला है, पर्दा लहरा रहा है, और श्वेता अपना सितार में कुछ बजा रही है, कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी चीज
Kani
बजा
also
रही है.
plays sitar very well.
Kani also plays really well, and I walked in saying, कोई बॉलीवुड गाना है क्या? छैया छैया बजाना है इसमें. And we ragged her so much कि क्या फायदा, हम लोग साथ में नहीं गा सकते, तो what is the point?
But
I
listen,
swear, in 3 days.
No,
Listen to
listen.
this. In 3 days, we psyched her. I psyched her so much. In 3 days, she has learned 20 songs का tunes. कि
Of
देखो अब
Bollywood
तुम मेरे
songs.
साथ गा सकते हो ना. Now you can participate.
Which
I
one?
felt
कल हो ना हो.
everything. Lots.
Lots.
Game of Thrones tune.
Game of
No, गाने वाले lyrics आने चाहिए. वो lyrics हम लोग ऊंची आवाज में अंताक्षरी टाइप हमें vibe चाहिए.
But then I went to her room then and I said that Huma, मैंने सीख लिया, मैंने 15 नए ट्यून सीखे. And she's like 3 दिन पहले तो बोला था ऐसे मैंने सीख लिया.
तुम्हें पता है ना कि तुम्हारा वाइब स्मॉल वंडर की विकी का है ना.
Small Wonder जब इंडिया में बना था, I played Harriet. It's called करिश्मा का करिश्मा.
Oh yeah.
Sweetie.
Of course. Oh my god.
Those of you who don't know, Shweta is all our senior. She
yes,
debuted in Makri, which we all loved.
If you could make one rule for women in the industry, my rule is women should talk to each other. Okay? अगर औरतें बस एक दूसरे से बात कर लेना तो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगी. Because पेट्रियार्की को सबसे ज्यादा मजा कब आता है? जब वो एक औरत को दूसरी औरत के खिलाफ पिट करते हैं, और ये औरतें भी
Very
इतनी
true.
डम होती हैं कि वो बात नहीं करती एक दूसरे से.
नहीं, let's not call them dumb. I
मैं-
think it
मैं
must be a
खुद को बोल-
conditioning of some sort. अगर
She's
कोई
very right.
अगर कोई एक रूल इंडस्ट्री में हो for women,
But I kind of agree with, sorry, while you think
Yeah,
about
yeah.
this answer, I kind of agree with what you're saying because I find a lot of people doing that, directors doing that, in fact. And in fact, quite recently, I did call out that. And I thought I called out in a way where I wasn't like, I didn't get angry or didn't get abrasive, but I was like, hey, you know, and not to discuss the other person in question, but don't do that. I'm seeing what you're doing. And I think that's very arrogant of how you're presenting it, and that's not cool. I don't think it went on very well with this gentleman, but I had to say what I had to say.
you know, because I don't think it's a men-women thing. It's mostly a patriarchal thing, and I think a lot of women carry that, and I don't know what to tell them because उनकी वो इतनी deep-seated conditioning है ना that I have seen women ridicule women. I've seen women not cheering the loudest for women, and I've seen them actually do some not very appropriate things. So इस पे आप कैसे उस चीज़ को set कर सकते हैं? But for the women who are progressive, who have progressive mindset, who want to learn, grow, and are cheerleaders for other women and men, I think should just call it out because just anything. अगर आपको लगता है that if someone's being inappropriate or is texting you inappropriately or is asking favors inappropriately or is offering you a script जहाँ पर आपको लगता है कि यार ये तो बहुत ही outdated चीज़ है या ये item song outdated है या ये कपड़े outdated है या ये dialogue क्यों ऐसे बोला जा रहा है, question it. I think the least you can do is question it. Even if that conversation is in your head, please have that conversation with self कि मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ, why am I encouraging this? Just with yourself, and maybe that will encourage dialogue with others.
Lastly, hiding your relationship.
क्यों?
सवाल क्या है?
Queen behavior only. Should you?
No. Why hide relationships?
I think relations are personal, and personal things I
Of
think
course.
should be kept personal.
नहीं, personal is one thing, boundaries are one thing, but why hide it?
Okay, but if you are trying to hide and अभी आ गया बाहर, then what will you do? What will queens do?
Flaunt it.
बता ही दो तुम.
इनसे पूछो, मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे
I
हो?
don't know what you're talking about.
I love it. Okay, we're not gonna admit or deny.
I don't know what you're talking
This
about.
is why she's a star.
Ask me a question. Is that a question? Ask me
My
a question.
question is, congratulations. Are we happy in our relationship?
I'm with Shweta. I love Shweta. Look at her. She's the perfect girl anyone could have asked for.
You want मिठाई?
Qureshi, until now she's like, मेरे bottle के ऊपर तो ढक्कन ही नहीं है. And now suddenly she's like, ask me the question. Ask me the question.
Ask. No, I'm like, ask na.
asked you.
Kya?
She's asked
I'm
you.
very happy in my life. I'm very happy with my. No, I mean, I'm very happy with my life. I'm very happy with how things are going, my career, my personal life, everything.
Her personal
However, I don't want to make any comments on my relationships because I feel like that's something that's very private and very personal. And जब कुछ शेयर करने वाली बात होगी हम शेयर कर लेंगे आपसे. आपको तो पहले ही बता देंगे.
ये तो है queen behavior. यही तो जवाब चाहिए था. मुबारक हो.
You get the card.
Thanks a lot. I wish you lots of luck. But more than anything else, I just want to say, girls, it's so lovely to see just two girls come down and be themselves and be comfortable to be themselves around each other. Because this is a really, I don't know if you know this, it's a dynamic of privilege. ये नहीं होता. I see a lot of actors coming and sitting next to each other. So please cherish this. And thank you so
We
much.
do.
And we cherish you. And for all your most amazing.
For
most
Ro!
amazing.
Go Ro!
But we love you, and yeah, this is just amazing girls supporting girls.
Yeah, I just want to say lots of love and thank you so much for dropping by to the
Thank
show.
you. Can I take the
Wish
mithai
you a
with
lot
you?
of luck. Yes, of course, this whole dabba is for you.